it going? So we're going to draw a cat coming out of a pumpkin, kind of like coming out of it. It's going to be simple, easy for beginners. You're going to love this. Press the subscribe button if you like drawing Halloween stuff. I'm going to post a lot of them in the next coming month or two. This is a seasonal channel, so let's really bring in the Halloween spirit as soon as we can, as hard as we can, okay? So, like I said, let's get into this, okay? Cool. Let's get started. Also, don't forget one last thing. There's a free gift for you. There's a free How to Draw Halloween ebook. An ebook has 100 pages. These are little templates. Every single page is a single template, and there's over 100. So there's 100 pages. This was something I was selling. It's now completely free, and it's completely yours. Go check out the link in the description. They're made to, they're made to print pages, basically. So go check that out when you have time. Really amazing stuff. So let's get started. I'm going to go over here and pull a line out over here for one side of the cat's face. In. Go over here on this side. Pull down here. I'm going to pull up, down for one ear. Up, down for another ear. Pull across for the top of the head. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to start with the kind of down here for the eye. Pulling up, in for one eye. Up, in for the other eye. Upside down triangle. Line here. Line here. Line here for the one pupil and iris. Line over here for the pupil and iris. I'm going to actually fill this in. Like so. Get that cool little cat look. He's looking at, I don't know, what a cat's like. Catnip. Tongue right here. So I'm going to pull closer to the bottom here, pull closer to the bottom, and I'm going to pull a line down here for the body, down here. Okay? And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to pull his hand sticking out, curve, like, well, not curve, it's like almost like a circle, but it's a little flatter at the top. And now I'm going to draw the kind of pumpkin part. Well, before I do that, I'm going to go over here and draw a line for the inner ear. Line over here. Up. Triangle, up, triangle. I do that, and now we're going to draw the kind of jaggedy part of the pumpkin here, kind of around him, like he's coming out of a crater of the pumpkin itself. We good? And I'm going to draw the actual pumpkin, so I'm going to curve here on one side, curve here on the other side. Continue to curve around the bottom. And let's draw the face of the pumpkin. Here, boom, boom. It's triangle. Boom, boom, boom. Fill this in for the dark spot. Fill this in. We're going to go over here and draw a triangle for the nose. Upside down, well, basically a regular triangle, sorry, upside down triangle. Filling that in. Hopefully, like I said, if you like this video, hit the like button. And also give me some suggestions, by the way. I want to know what else you want me to draw. Because I am going to draw a lot of cats and a lot of pumpkins and a lot of bats and gravestones and all this stuff and haunted houses, and it's gonna be several versions, right? So you always have like a choice, and that's really the cool part about this channel. There's a bunch of different versions, but I want to know like more stuff. Give me more ideas. All right then, and I'm gonna go over here and draw a zigzag for the mouth. Curve over here, curve over here. Curve up, curve up. We're drawing the striations on the pumpkin itself, trying not to go through the face unless the line is thinner, like so. See this? I'm standing more on the tip here of the marker. over here. Like so. Alrighty, doing pretty good. We're almost done, honestly. We might even be near done, if not, this will be good. Yep. Sharpen those out a little bit more. Alright, and I'm going to do the same thing I did with the other one. I'm going to make a thick, bold line on the outside. Thick, bold line on just the outer edge. And it's going to make it look more like a sticker. I think it looks cool. You can do this for anything. If it's just on the outer rim here. Continue around here. Got fixing that up. I'm going to be, as far as Halloween outfits goes this year, I'm going to be Marty from Back to the Future, and I will show it on this channel here. I'll probably show it like probably like the week of Halloween, so stick around for that. But let me know what you're going to be for Halloween. Ooh, I forgot something on here. The whiskers are pretty important. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3 on one side. 1, 2, 3 on the other side. Curve on here for the mouth. At this point, we're just kind of looking at like minor details, like, okay, what is this? What is that? Very minor stuff. Stuff you want to add. Anything like so. You can color this if you like. It's up to you. Completely up to you. All right. I want you to feel comfortable doing this. And like I said, if you have any questions of any kind, let me know in the comments. So let me tell you what the comments are for. Number 1. Say hi to me in the comments. If you're hearing me right now, say hi, and I'll know that you're hearing this message right now. It's like, wow, cool, you're hearing it. Say hi. Otherwise, let me know what else you want to see on the channel as far as suggestions go. I'm going to put them in a huge suggestions list. Then, or let me know what your Halloween outfit's going to be. Or just tell me what you're going to do for Halloween. It's fun to know about that stuff. Or just general questions are great as well. General drawing questions. That is it. Remember, don't forget to check out the description. There's a lot of stuff in there that will make you a better artist. It will make you a better artist if you use the stuff that's in the description, okay? Go check that stuff out. There's playlists. There's all kinds of cool things. That is it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. That is all. Stay spooky, everybody.